All right, here we got another good one here from a 3.6 liter. One of my favorite engines. Not, but besides that. So here we have a 3.6. I think this is a 15 to 17 Jeep JK. And he has an oil leak. So like we always do here, the oil leak, it's got to be the oil cooler, right? So he's got a Mishimoto oil cooler and just had it put in, and it was leaking because the back of the motor was covered in oil. So we're like, oh, okay, so it just went bad. So it was leaking from the back, from the oil sender, which I think came with this Mishimoto oil cooler, oil filter deal here. So, but the thing of it is, so this is leaking pressurized oil, right? And where it's going is into the wiring harness. So now all the wires are conduit and oil is going through the harness. So it was pumping oil into the wiring harness. And I've seen this before where it's pumped so much oil, it goes into the computer and fills the computer with oil. So the wiring harness now turns into conduit. All the wiring turns into conduit and starts pumping oil through all the wiring. So as you can see, it's all oily here, all oily here, and you go, how do you fix it? I don't know if there's really a way, actually. And this sender, you can see it's oily inside. So whew, another 3.6 doohoo. So it's actually not the engine's fault. It's probably this cheap parts. I guess I wanted to say a bad word, but I didn't say it. So it's probably these cheap parts, which we constantly have a problem with. So we can only use Chrysler parts. And then when we can't get Chrysler parts, I don't know what we're gonna do with any of these Jeeps. So, but yeah, here's another good one. So oil leak down the back of the motor. It was bad too. It was dripping on the ground. It was a bad leak. And go to find out, it really wasn't the oil filter adapter or cooler. It turned out to be the sensor. So, all right, well, another good one. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.